Hello YouTubers, welcome again to Piano Lessons with Godfrey. So in today's tutorial we'll be looking at You Are Holy by Nay Zimu. So we'll be looking at the way they changed from one key to another. You are holy, holy, you are holy. You are holy, holy, you So the song is played in the key of F sharp to A flat. So let's play it. We play the first three chords. So our first chord is on my right hand. On my right hand, it's a F sharp, B flat, C sharp, and F sharp. On the left hand, it's F sharp and C sharp. So our next chord is on the left hand, it's A flat and E flat. On the right hand is A flat, B, C sharp, and F sharp. And the third chord is on the left hand is B flat and F. On the right hand is B flat, C sharp, and F sharp. So let's start afresh. You are holy, holy, you are holy. So our next chord is back to number 1. So our next chord is number 6. On my left hand it's E flat. On the right hand it's B flat, E flat, and F sharp. You can even add C sharp. The next chord is on my left hand it's F. On the right hand C sharp, E flat, F, and A flat. Back to number 1. So let's play from the beginning. You are holy, holy, you are holy, you are holy, holy, you So there's this passing chord, Lamb of God, which results to number 6. It's the first chord on my left hand. On my left hand, I have it's B flat. On the right hand, it's F, B flat, and D. The next chord is C on the left hand, and on the right hand, it's A flat, C, and A flat, C, and E flat. The next chord, it's on the right hand, it's B flat, D, and F. On the right hand, on the left hand, is D, resolving to number 6. So it's Lamb of God, sweet hand. So there's this passing chord, which has it's a 5-1-4 passing chord. So on my right hand, it's B, E, and A flat. On the right hand, it's our number 5, C sharp. Then we go to number 1. It's F sharp. It's F sharp on the left hand, and on the right hand, it's B, E flat, B, E flat, F sharp, and B flat. And number 4. On the right hand, I have B, it's B, C sharp, E flat, and F sharp. On the left hand, it's B and F sharp. Then we go to our number 2. We make our number 2 major chord. So in this case, it's A flat major. On the right hand, it's A flat, C, and E flat. And on the left hand, it's A flat and E flat. Then we play 4/5. On my right hand is B flat, C sharp, or it's B, sorry, it's B, C sharp, E flat, and F sharp. On the left hand, it's C sharp. Then back to number 1. Let's look at the modulation stuff. You are holy. So let's look at this modulation stuff. So we're changing from F sharp to A flat, from F sharp to A flat. So we're playing number 4 on the right hand. We're playing number 4 of the key we're going for. So in this case, we're playing number 4 for A flat. So it's C sharp. So we make it a major 7th. So it's C, then C sharp, then you add the 7th. So over number 5 of the key you're going for. Then you start afresh. So let's look at it. It's C on the right hand. It's C sharp major. Then at the 7th on the right hand, on the left hand, it's E flat major. Then number 1. So our first chord is on the right hand. On the right hand, I have B flat, C, B flat, C, E flat, and A flat. On the left hand, it's A flat. So we play the first 3 chords. You are holy, holy, you are holy. So our second chord is on my left hand is B flat, F, and A flat. On the right hand is B flat, C sharp, F, and A flat. The third chord on the left hand is C and A flat. On the right hand it's C, E flat, and A flat. So let's start afresh. You are holy. So the next chord is number 6. It's then you resolve to number 1. So it's number 6. On the right hand it's C, F, and A flat. The next chord is number 7 on the right hand. On the left hand it's G on the right hand. Oh, it's G on the left hand. On the right hand it's E flat, G, and B flat. Then back to number 1. So let's play it again. You are holy, holy, you are holy. You are holy, holy, you are holy. There's this passing chord. Lamb of God. So on my left hand it's C, on the right hand it's G, C, and E. The next chord is D on the left hand. On the right hand it's A, D, and F. The next chord is on the left hand it's E, on the right hand it's C, D, E, and G. Then to number 6. So you are holy, holy, you are holy. You are holy, holy, you are holy. The passing chord. Lamb of God, sweetened. So there's this 2, 5, 1, or 5, 1, 4. So let's create a 5, 1, 4. On the left hand is E flat. On the right hand it's C sharp, F, F sharp, and B flat, followed by on the left hand it's A flat. On the right hand it's C, F, F sharp, and B flat, resolving to number 4, which is on the left hand C sharp. It's C sharp on the left hand and A flat. On the right hand it's C sharp, F, and A flat. So straightened on the right hand of the Father you are. Then you make your number 2 a major chord. So on the right hand is B flat, D and F. On the left hand it's B flat and F. Then you play 4/5. Or on the left hand it's E flat and B flat. On the right hand is C sharp, F and A flat. Then back to number 1. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please click that subscribe button over that corner and don't forget